I'm sick. I can't do anything. One thing I noticed, guys, hold on. Look at my little alien legs. As much as I want to film a video today, I can't. I can't sound like this. It's ridiculous. It feels like I ate a cactus sandwich. The plus side of this is I sound 10 times wiser. Those who brush their teeth have the cleanest teeth. When the going gets tough, buy a Ford. I swear to God, if they use that in their new commercial, I'm a sue. But I'm stuck in bed all day until this guy wants to cooperate again. Wish me luck, baby. Oh, so I don't want to get you guys sick. Okay. Welcome to Tuesday. I'm feeling much better than I was yesterday. I sound, in a way, a little bit worse. Partially because today is gonna be a great day. The reason why I'm so excited and why I say that, why am I so happy? We're doing one of my favorite things. I love making videos on things that I already do behind the scenes. Hence the reason why I'm excited to introduce to you guys my new series called Tugging on the Toilet. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make your very own diamonds at home. We're gonna do it out of resin. Whoa! I can feel the anger from a lot of you naive people out there. A few weeks ago, I did a video on trying to spend $1 billion in 30 minutes. Like, what the f, man? I had so many of you guys commenting thinking I legitimately spent $1 billion. If I had $1 billion, do you think I'd be living... Look, don't get me wrong. This is a beautiful condo. I'm really happy I live here. But if I'm a billionaire, I'm gonna be living in a hot air balloon made of whale penis, okay? Because I can. I'm showing you guys how to make resin diamonds at home, okay? This is more of an arts and crafts kind of thing rather than a get rich quick. Oh my God, okay. Sorry, this is a quick story time. I promise it'll be interesting, okay? As a guy that does YouTube for a living and has had some viral content and has done stuff around Toronto, just in general, there's been some notoriety around what I do. I'm not saying I'm Brad Pitt, okay? Relax. But I am saying that when I go out, I do get recognized sometimes. I love it. A lot of people don't like that. It makes them uncomfortable, and that's totally fair. So before I start this story, I want you guys to know that. I appreciate you. If you want to come up and say hi, and it's an appropriate time to do so, please do. Saturday, throat starts acting up. Nose is giving me a little bit of trouble. It's bad. My body's going into full phlegm mode, just pumping out snot in the back of my throat. Maybe got 10 seconds worth of sleep on Saturday night. I felt the snot going down the back of my throat, clogging my air hole, and I'm just like, ew, air hole? It was just a very uncomfortable and unfortunate sleep. So it was about 5 a.m. on Sunday morning, which is why I didn't have a video uploaded, by the way. I can't do this anymore, man. My throat is killing me. I need to go see a doctor. I don't really have a doctor. The doctor I did go and see is about 40 minutes from where I live right now. When I went and saw her last, she didn't even know who I was. Not in like a I'm famous kind of way, as like a patient of hers. She said she's never seen me before. Man, she's seen my balls before. Trust me, those things are memorable. No, but actually, listen. 5 a.m. I go on Google, type it in walk-in clinics. 90% of walk-in clinics or doctor's offices are closed on Sundays. So I found one. It was a 2-star rating. Relatively close. Drive all the way there before it even opens. When I go in, I line up and I start filling out the forms because I've never been there before. This woman with her 2 kids come in after, and her little daughter must have been like 8 years old. She looked at me and her face just kind of like lit up of excitement. Then she tugged at her mom, whispered in her mom's ear, and then her mom looked at me as well. But her mom didn't think anything of it. She kind of looked at me and then was like, okay, whatever. So I go and sit down. I'm sitting there just on my phone. My phone's like chilling at 3%. Because I've been on it all night. I start kind of looking around the room. Well, then I see the girl with her mom and her like brother. I've never in my life seen a more intense glare than this girl. She was just like full on like I felt her staring at the back of my corneas. This was like 8 a.m. on a Sunday morning. I was so sick. I looked like a legit turd. It was a 90s party I was at the day before. I swear to God, I was dressed like as a 90s guy. So I'm like, okay, look away, please. Like maybe like right now is not a good time. Don't say anything. Don't. The waiting room was super quiet too, so it would have been awkward. Look back to see if she's still staring at me. Boom! I sat there for maybe 15 minutes. I swear to God, the girl didn't blink once. Because trust me, I would have heard it because that's how quiet the room was. You would have heard like a little. Then a nurse comes out and goes, Daniel, still looking. She goes, like, that was her confirmation that it was me, and then looked at her mom. Look, the whole story was cute. I just think that it's funny for me, whenever I do sort of get recognized, it's sort of at the least opportune times. Anyways, I just wanted to share a story. I thought it was hilarious. Okay, let's get to the video. As mentioned, today we're making resin diamonds. This is something I love to do when I'm not recording videos. Like, it's sort of become a problem. I just can't stop. It's so fun. It is very easy. Anybody watching this right now can do this at home. Here's what you guys are gonna need to make some resin diamonds at home. First things first, you guys are obviously gonna need resin. Very easy to obtain. I know you guys may have never heard of it or you've never used it before. I went to Home Depot. You guys can go to Lowe's, anywhere, and I guarantee you they will have resin. There's also art resin that you can buy online or at craft stores. If you guys go to Home Depot, it is most likely gonna be in the paint department, okay? Usually most resin is 2 bottles. One bottle being like the actual resin and the other bottle being the hardener. Next thing you're gonna need is the molds. Now these molds can be bought on Amazon, on eBay. You can even get these at the craft store as well. Silicone molds are what you need. These are little diamond silicone molds. They're squishy. They look like they're flat on the bottom, but that's only so it can stand flat on a table, okay? They actually do go to a point on the inside. Today we're actually gonna be using Lit, which is the world's glowiest glow. We're gonna mix it inside of the resin and we're gonna actually create really glow-in-the-dark resin diamond. I'm using a weigh scale because it is extremely important that you guys are mixing in 50% resin and 50% hardener. One thing I've learned is even if it's like 40, 60, it will not fully dry. You guys can also do this visually with a measuring cup as well. Filled in the first one with resin. Once that was full, I switched out the cups and I filled the other part with hardener. And I tried to match it as close as I possibly could. You're gonna pour them together into 1 cup and you're gonna mix it for 3 minutes. Do not mix it too fast. You're gonna put air bubbles in it, which again will make your diamond foggy. You'll have bubbles inside. At this point, this is where you're actually gonna pour in your pigment, or if you're just gonna make clear diamonds, you can go ahead and pour it in your mold at this point. You wanna pour a slow, steady stream and just let it rise itself. If you're putting pigment in, put a little bit in, mix it until it's fully dissolved, put more in, mix it until it's fully dissolved. If you guys are using ink, you're only gonna need 2 drops. Then you're just gonna pour it into your molds. I've got this yellow mini diamond that I wanna try and encapsulate in a clear big diamond. I'm only gonna pour a little bit of resin. I'm gonna leave it for 2 hours until it's more like gum. Resin starts as a liquid and then over the span of about 6 hours, it'll get hard. So at the 2-hour mark, it's gonna start to feel like bubble gum. Once everything's been poured, you pretty much just have to wait. We highly suggest you guys give it 12 hours, okay? It's kind of like you're baking it without an oven, okay? The chemicals need to react. Once it's been 12 hours, you can squeeze your mold, and if it's not moving at all, it's time to take it out. Okay, welcome to Wednesday. Almost exactly 24 hours since these diamonds were poured. You can't squeeze them at all. They're extremely hard. They're pretty much fully baked in now. Let's take a look at each one individually. Okay, so first up, we got the clear one. Purely untreated resin. There's no ink, there's no colorants added to this. Oh, baby. Look at this thing. Oh, yo, that turned out so much better than I thought. Damn, look at it sparkle. Holy shit. Next up, we got the glow-in-the-dark one. We added in glow-in-the-dark pigment to this one. See how it turned out. This is the glow-in-the-dark one. Let's go ahead and put some light on this and then check it out in the dark room. Currently charging up the diamond. Going to my bathroom now. Oh my god, holy shit. What the actual man? It's glowing, look at the light in my hand it's created. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so much brighter than I thought. This is me facing the mirror with it, by the way. Oh my god, that is so cool. I'll put this on my Instagram for sure. Okay, hands down, one of the coolest DIYs I've done was this guy. Next up, we got this one. This is a mini diamond encapsulated inside of a bigger diamond. So let's go ahead and see if this worked. Okay, like, kind of. You can see how many bubbles there are. Like, it's not completely clear at the top here. Nothing special. All right, last but not least, and this diamond I will be giving away. Just watch to the end of the video for details on how to get it. And that is the mini glow-in-the-dark. Look at how nice the clear one looks. Like, it literally looks like a diamond. Like, charging up the small diamond. Bring this in the bathroom. There's the other one. Oh, it's still going. And here's the little one. Oh my god. Okay, so this is just charged up. This one's been charged for maybe 5 minutes and it's still glowing. It's super bright. I'm just amazed at how much light is actually being emitted off this thing. I'm giving this little guy away over on my Instagram at Danocracy. I had this purple one I already had, but I didn't put enough resin in, so there was a little lip around the top. So I just kind of poured some extra resin, like glow-in-the-dark resin on top of this. And we'll go into the bathroom with it. Oh damn. Wow, this actually turned out really cool. What happens if I go fully dark? Okay, that was a cool little experiment. I like that one. And like, that's it. If you guys are gonna try this out, please post it on Instagram and tag me. I would absolutely love to see your creations. I'm giving away the little glow-in-the-dark diamond. I don't need 2 of them. I can always make another one. Go to my Instagram at Danocracy. Make sure you follow and comment a diamond on my latest photo. Anyways, there you guys have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'm actually traveling to LA next week, so if anybody's in LA, I'll be hanging out there. I will also be making a video from there as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.